Is it necessary to winterize a tankless water heater if it's installed indoors?
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to delve into the intriguing subject of tankless water heaters, specifically discussing whether it's necessary to winterize them if they are installed indoors. Understanding the basics of water heater maintenance can help prolong the life of your equipment and save you some hard-earned money in the long run. So, let's dive right in.
What is winterization?
Winterization refers to the process of preparing your home appliances for the winter season to prevent any cold-related damage. For tankless water heaters, this typically involves draining all water from the unit and applying antifreeze. This process is particularly essential for outdoor units exposed to freezing temperatures.
Does an indoor tankless water heater require winterization?
The short answer is, not usually. Indoor tankless water heaters are usually situated in a climate-controlled environment, meaning they are not directly exposed to freezing temperatures. Therefore, the winterization process, especially applying antifreeze, is not generally required for indoor units.
Are there exceptions?
Yes, there can be exceptions. If your heater is installed in an unheated indoor space, such as a garage, basement, or utility room that's not well insulated or heated, it might still be at risk. In such cases, you should consider winterizing the unit to prevent potential freezing damage.
What about extended periods of inactivity?
If your property is unoccupied during the winter months, or if you anticipate your tankless water heater not being used for an extended period, it's a good idea to winterize the unit to prevent any potential freezing of stagnant water within the system. So there you have it. While winterizing an indoor tankless water heater is not typically necessary due to the controlled environment, exceptions may exist based on the heater's location and usage. Always err on the side of caution if there's any risk of freezing temperatures. Remember, a little preventive maintenance can go a long way towards saving you from costly repairs down the road. We hope this video has been enlightening and helpful. Stay warm and take care.